resources to be provided to you to deliver a quality education. And on our part, as school administrator, we are helping them, giving technical assistance through learning action cells, through in-service training, through asking them to attend seminars in order for them to be equipped in delivering quality teaching to you. So, yun nga lang, it's very helpful and will be helpful on the part of the teachers to, if they have learning resources such as books that will make their teaching easier dahil nandun na yung mga kinakailangan para sa pagtuturo. And for the number 3, yung ating diploma learn, we are always encouraging our teachers to consider higher education institutions that are recognized, that are giving quality graduate school education. And we are also encouraging them to pursue